1. Hook. Have you ever wondered why your AWS bill seems to have a life of its own? You're not alone. One of the silent killers in AWS is the NAT gateway, but that's where the trouble begins. It can cost up to $0.045 per hour plus data processing fees. If your application has heavy outbound traffic, costs can skyrocket quickly. Understanding the NAT gateway is crucial for startups and teams looking to manage their AWS environments efficiently. Let's dive deeper. 3. The simple explanation. A NAT gateway, or Network Address Translation Gateway, lets instances in a private subnet access the internet while preventing inbound traffic. It's a powerful tool but comes with a price tag. Cost: you pay for each hour it runs and for the data it processes. Limitations: it can easily lead to unexpected bills if not monitored. Imagine you have a web application with a few microservices. If these services are constantly making requests to external APIs or updates, your costs can accumulate rapidly. 4. Real-world example. Let's explore a real-world incident. A startup named TechWave launched a new app designed to analyze data and provide insights. They used a NAT gateway to allow their instances in a private subnet to communicate with external APIs. Here's what happened. Initial setup: they set up a single NAT gateway in a region. Traffic volume: during the first month, they processed 500 gigabytes of data. Costs: the NAT gateway charged them $0.045 per hour. The total bill for the month was around $1,080, with $900 coming from data processing fees alone. TechWave had underestimated their traffic. They realized this too late and had to scramble to optimize their architecture. They ended up redesigning their application to reduce unnecessary API calls and used caching to minimize data transfer. 5. What to do instead. To avoid the pitfalls of a NAT gateway, follow these steps. 1. Assess your needs. Analyze your application. Do you really need a NAT gateway, or can you use VPC endpoints or other methods? Evaluate the traffic patterns and endpoints your application will hit. 2. Choose wisely. If a NAT gateway is necessary, consider using a NAT instance instead. NAT instances can be smaller and more cost-effective for low to moderate traffic applications. 3. Monitor usage. Set up CloudWatch alarms to monitor NAT gateway usage. Create alarms for unexpected spikes in data processing or hourly costs. A good threshold is to alert you if your costs exceed $50 in a day. 4. Implement caching. Use caching strategies to minimize the number of requests through your NAT gateway. Consider using AWS ElastiCache or even local caching in your application. 5. Review regularly. Conduct a monthly review of your AWS bill to identify any unusual charges. This helps you stay ahead of any unexpected costs and adjust your architecture accordingly. 6. Common mistakes. 1. Not monitoring costs. Many forget to monitor their NAT gateway costs. Fix: set up regular billing alerts in AWS. This will help you stay informed. 2. Underestimating traffic. Some teams misjudge the amount of outbound traffic. Fix: analyze your logs and use tools like AWS Cost Explorer to get a clearer picture. 3. Overlooking alternatives. Some use NAT gateways when other options would suffice. Fix: evaluate whether VPC endpoints or a NAT instance can meet your needs. 4. Neglecting security. Not implementing proper security groups can lead to exposure. Fix: regularly review your security settings and limit access based on least privilege. 5. Ignoring optimization. Failing to optimize can lead to wasted resources. Fix: regularly analyze your architecture for optimization opportunities and adjust as needed. 7. Quick checklist to keep your NAT gateway costs in check. Use this quick checklist. Assess whether a NAT gateway is necessary. Choose a NAT instance for lower traffic. Set up CloudWatch alarms for usage monitoring. Implement caching strategies to reduce outbound traffic. Review your AWS bill monthly for unexpected charges. 8. Summary plus CTA. The NAT gateway can be a silent killer in your AWS budget, but with awareness and proactive management, you can keep costs under control. Always assess your needs, monitor usage, and optimize your architecture. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know how you manage your AWS costs. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world cloud engineering insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.